Welcome to our tutorial about variable scope. Variable scope determines the visibility of a variable in your program. We have touched on this subject a little previously in this course in our discussion of global and local variables. Let's begin by declaring integer a as an integer. I've declared this variable inside the button one-click procedure. Now I'm going to use an assignment statement to assign a value to integer a. When I mouse over integer a, I do see that it is declared as an integer. Now if I move this assignment statement to button 2 click events procedure, we've got a wavy line underneath it. When I mouse over it, I learn that the problem stems from the fact that integer a is not declared in this procedure. Let's move our declaration outside the button 1 click event procedure. That'll make integer a visible anywhere in this form. Let me take a moment to demonstrate this concept a little more thoroughly. I'm going to use an if statement. I'll declare integer b as an integer. Now I'll initialize it with a value of 2. I've declared b inside this block of code. It's declared only within the scope of the if statement. Now if I move the assignment statement outside the if statement, I'm going to get a message stating that integer b is not declared. If I move the declaration statement outside this block of code, everything will be fine. Let's insert another form into our project. We're going to do this with a right-click, Add New Form. Or we can select from this icon's drop-down menu, Add New Item. Let's select Module and click Add. A module is like a form, but without the container of the form. Public, integer c. Let's declare it as an integer. Now integer c is a public variable. Let's return to our form. Let's initialize integer c with a value of 2. When I mouse over this line, I see the declared status of integer c, public, and of the integer data type. Let's return to the module and change the public statement to dim. Now let's go back to our form, Form 1. We've obviously got a problem. Visual Basic alerts us to it right away. Integer c is not declared. And this concludes our tutorial about variable scope.